Sun's halo is produced by the refraction of light in ice crystals in cirrus clouds. Name the wave generated by the undersea earthquake or volcanic eruption is called tsunami. Consider the following statements, and the correct statement is ocean currents assist in maintaining the Earth's heat balance. Ocean currents are set in motion primarily by prevailing winds. Ocean currents are affected by the configuration of the ocean. Which of these countries have Adriatic Sea as a boundary? Bosnia Herzegovina. The correct statement is in China type climate, rainfall occurs throughout the year. Tropical highlands exhibit vertical zonation of different climates. Which one of the following countries occupies the first place in the Global Competitive Report of World Economic Forum? Singapore. Berber speaking community frequently in the news lives in Algeria. Consider the following ecosystems, and the correct sequence in decreasing order of the albedo values of these ecosystems is tundra, taiga, tropical evergreen, and tropical deciduous. So, the correct statement is 60, 60 to 65 degree latitudes in both the hemispheres have a low pressure belt instead of high pressure. And the correct statement is artificial satellites are always launched from the Earth in the eastward direction. So, assertion is the surface winds spiral inwards upon the center of the cyclone, and the reason which is correct for this statement is air descends in the center of the cyclone. Life expectancy is the highest in the world in Japan. The waterfall Victoria is associated with the river Zambezi. Which among the following countries has the largest population? Indonesia. The correct statement is in Kosovo, Serbians are a majority. Israel has common borders with Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, and Egypt. Which of one of the following statements is correct? The United Nations took over East Timor in 1999 to prepare it for independence. Which one of the following covers the highest percentage of forest area in the world? Temperate coniferous forest. In which one of the following countries is rupee its currency? Seychelles. Which one of the following countries is landlocked? Bolivia. Which one of the following countries does not border the Caspian Sea? Armenia. Among the following, which planet takes the maximum time for one revolution around the Sun? Jupiter. Latvia does not share its borders with which one of the following countries? Poland. Along which one of the following meridians did India experience the first light of the sunrise of the new millennium? 92 degree 30 degree eastern. Which one of the following does not border Panama? Venezuela.